Hello guys, welcome back to an app. For today's video, here we're going to show you or discuss with you Shein affiliate program step by step. So if you're interested, let's start a tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you sign up to Shein's affiliate program? Well, with the recent or with the changes right now for Shein, using their affiliate program is a lot easier. So how do you exactly do so? Well, first things first is you can only do this via your mobile device. So you want to go and open up your mobile device and open up any browser. Now, in your browser, just type in Shein Affiliate. Now, you should be able to see a link here that says Shein Affiliate Program, and also make sure it's directly from Shein. Let's go and access this one. Now, in here, what we need to do is we just need to go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom here. And by the way, if you want to read more regarding their program here, you can go ahead and read that. But in this case, go ahead and click on Sign Up at the very bottom left of your screen. Now, in here, let's go ahead and complete the sign up process. So you can go and continue using your email or phone number here, or you could go and use your Google account. So let me just use my Google account here and proceed with the login. Let's go and choose our Google account. Click on continue to proceed with this one. Once you've done that, it's going to ask you to read a few things. So you can go and click on appropriate links here. But for now, let's go and click on accept. And in here, it should load up the next pages. So it's going to give you the terms of service here. So I highly recommend you to first read everything here first. But once you've read everything, click on I have read the privacy policy. Click on accept. And from here on, we are now ready to start using the program itself. Now, you need to go ahead and confirm your eligibility here. So you could choose your Instagram account, TikTok, Facebook, X account here, and your YouTube. So go ahead and choose the appropriate one. Let's go and choose Instagram here. So it should open up your Instagram app. And again, you just need to go ahead and basically follow the on-screen steps that they'll be requiring you in order for you to complete the whole sign-up process. Now, once you've actually authorized your account or you've proven or confirmed your eligibility here, you should be able to see access the next page, which in this case allows you to share links, so that when people use your links here, you should be able to start earning from that link that they'll be providing you. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Shein app. Thank you for watching.